Viksit Bharat Sankap Yatra campaign Tamenglong District numit nini District Administration na sinduna chathakre. Ahanba numit da Ethiopia Tamenglong Ward number 1, Kachunglong Tamenglong Ward number 7, amadi Phungwang Tamenglong Ward number 10 da chathaki. Aduga ani suba numita Chulon, Kahulong, amadi Chengdai Khunda chathaki. Viksit Bharat Sankap Yatra campaign asida District Administration gi makhada leiba Government Department Officials singna moi ki stall hangduna flagship scheme singi maramda awareness pibikhi. Viksit Bharat Sankap Yatra da yauhiba government selected scheme singi manung aduda Atal Pension Yojana, Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission Health Card, enrollment in Eklavya Model Residential School, Har Ghar Jal Jeevan Mission, Kishan Credit Card, PM Kishan Suman, PM Awas Yojana, PM Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana, PM Poshan Abhiyan, PM Ujwala Yojana, RCS, Udhan Savaya Yojana, Bandhan Vikas Kendra, Self-Help Group Semgatpana Singba Yauki. Yatra campaign aduda Viksit Bharat Sankap Yatra Observer Dr. Barun Mehta, Additional ADC CEO Gulinbao Daimai, SDO Tamenglong, District Administration gi DLO Singh, Village Authorities Chairman Amadi Secretary Singhna Saruk Yaki. Viksit Bharat Sankap Yatra asi Outreach Awareness Program oina nationwide campaign chatharibani. Yatra asida Kungang Sahar Singbu Lu Nana Leihanba, Lairava Singda Housing, LPG connection, food security, proper nutrition, reliable healthcare, clean drinking water, quality education na chingba yohannaba chatharibani. Manipurda leiba Naga Singna Chahi Khuding Chathariba Luingaini Sit Showing Festival Haina Sukhangnaba Kumai Asi Kumsi 2024 gi oina Tamenglong District Headquarter da 14 amadi 15 February da pangtokadauri. Masigi Kumai Asida Naga Tribe Singi political leader, social leader, tribe leader na singba Seruk Yaba Yai. Luingaini Asi Naga Tribe Singna Lauda Maru Marang Thaba Haugadabagi Mamangda Pangthokpa Kumhaini. Luingaini Festival Asida Naga Singi cultural program Maru Oina traditional fire making, folk dance, folk song na singba chathagani. 6 Assam Rifle Tamenglong Battalion na ahanba oina angang singi winter camp 15 January dagi 20 January 2024 fauba chathakre. Numit taruk ki camp haudokpa numit aduda Indian Army War Veteran Indo-Pak War 1971 da yauhiba retired Major Kamei Gaigonglong nasu saruk yaki. Camp aduda 52 Maheroina saruk yaki. Camper singbu outdoor excursion Tharon Cave amadi atai tourist spot singda pubikhi. Angang singbu sports, picnic, extracurricular activity, drawing, painting, competition na singba chathaki. Winter camp loisinba numit asida camper singi parents, guardians singa closing ceremony amadi prize distribution program pangtoki. Thoram aduda Tamenglongi SP, CMO, DIO amadi atai civilian officials singna saruk yaki. Punjab National Bank Tamenglong branch na Financial Literary Camp Charamram Village Tausem Subdivision Tamenglong District 19 January 2024 da chachakre. Financial Literary Camp adu Punjab National Bank Tamenglong branch ki manager SP Akuna na lusingduna chathaki. Literary Camp aduda bank ki staff singna Khunja singi bank account anauba hangbiba saving amadi zero account singda KYC link taubiba aduga banki atai activity singsu tauki. Punjab National Bank Financial Literary Camp aduda Khun manang nakpada leiba Ajuram, Chilon amadi atai khunja sing banki issue leiba singna laktuna resolve tauki. Marak asida saramba segment da leiba khunja singna Punjab National Bank Manager amadi mahaki timbu Tamenglong headquarter dagi thapna leiba khunda laktuna banking problem leiba sing kohan bibagi damak thagatpa phongdokhi.